Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Glassmorphism design by using Adobe XD and HTML and CSS. So first, I will show you for the Adobe XD, and after that, I'm going to show you how you can create this design by using CSS. First, for Adobe XD, let's get started. Opening your Adobe XD and have any kind of background image which you like. I have created this background image. You can get this, it's very simple. I will provide you link in description, or you can create your own. So to create a glass design in Adobe XD, you need a rectangle or any shape first of all. So I will just create this simple shape, that's it, and I will give this some radius like this. That's all. Okay, and after that, simply I will just decrease the opacity. Okay, I can decrease the opacity, but you don't need it. You have a feature in Adobe XD which is called background blur. Enable this option just, and you got the effect. Yeah, and here you can play with the amounts. Here you can see amount. I will just give this a 40, and you can also change the brightness, and you can control opacity from this option. That's why you don't need to change the opacity in the appearance. That's it. And change the border color to the white. It looks great. And this is it. We got the glass design in Adobe XD. You can do the similar thing in Figma too, and you can create designs like this. Okay, and now let me show you on HTML and CSS. First, let me just open the Visual Studio. Here we go. Let me just show you here. Here you can see in HTML I just have two divs. One is a container and the other one is a glass. Basically, we are going to give Glassmorphism to this glass div, and by using this container we are going to put this card in the center. That's it. Here you can see on the result. Okay, and after this, let's go to the CSS part. Let me just delete all this code, and now we are left with this kind of result. Here you can see in the body we have given background image, and that's it. Height, width, these are the very common things. And here in container we just given a display as a flex, and justify content center, align item center. That's it. So because of this container CSS code, anything we are going to create will be in the center of our canvas. That's why we have given the code here. Now let's create the glass. You can see we have created separate div for the glass. The class name is called glass. So I will just write down dot glass, and let's give this a width around 350 pixels, and height I will give it around 500 pixels, and let's give it a background color white. Save, and we got this some result something like this. And let's give this a border radius first, 0.5 em, and that's it. That's great, looking nice. And now we are going to create glass effect or Glassmorphism. Now to create a Glassmorphism effect, you just need one property, and that property is called backdrop. Okay, so right now backdrop filter, and inside the backdrop filter we will write blur function, and inside this function we will provide the value. So here you can see in our Adobe XD case what value we have given here. We can see that it's 40, so we can write down 40 pixel inside it. 40 pixel, that's it, and the value is there. but there is no effect. Why? Because if you see Adobe XD, there is other values too, like opacity. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give this opacity. So I will just go to developer tools, select the component, and here you can see background color white. I will just decrease the opacity here, decrease the opacity. This one looks okay, and then just copy the code of color and replace it. That's all. And now you can add extra elements like borders and drop shadows, so it can look more nice. And you can play with other values too, like here you can see in Adobe XD we have a brightness too, so you can also add backdrop filter brightness if you wanted, and you can play with those values. So this is how you create Glassmorphism by using CSS. It's very easy, and I'm also creating tutorial on this card design. Okay, here you can see this one. We will create this card design from scratch. If you wanted to see that tutorial too, link will be in description, or you can check out my channel. Basically this will be very easy for you if you know this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and bye. If you have any other question, you can ask me in comment sections and also on social media. Links will be in description. Bye, see you.